skating like a pro.
Alright guys, we got this. First, we are going to warm up with a basic exercise, just practicing lifting the foot up and crossing over. Think about placing your weight on the foot that is on the ice, aka our skating foot. Make sure to avoid these two common mistakes, lifting your leg up too high, throwing you off balance, and also forgetting to bend the knees. It is going to be really difficult to do these crossovers if you are very stiff. Keep practicing with your hands on the wall, then graduate to your fingertips, and now time to step away from the wall. Now that we have our feet down, let's review the arms. If your right foot is crossing over, if you're skating in a counterclockwise direction, right arm is in front. If you're skating clockwise, left arm is in front. I remind my kiddos not to have their arms too high or too low, nice and relaxed, pretending they are holding a marker and drawing a circle with their arms, bending the knees as well. Our next exercise are half swizzle pumps. The weight is over the left foot, which is tracing the red circle. Remember our circle arms. We are doing half U's, thinking about tracing waves over the ocean. Remember to practice both sides. If we're going clockwise, remember left arm in front, right arm in back. Always remember to look where you're going so you don't crash into anyone, because that would hurt. Good job everyone. Now that we mastered the half swizzle pumps, time to add a crossover. Same thing, half swizzle pump. Make sure your feet are together, nice and balanced, and step over that foot just like we did at the wall. What helps me, my front arm is slightly lower, my back arm is slightly higher. Again, remember to be very generous with the knee bend here. Knee bend will help us keep our speed up. We are balancing on the middle of our blade on the crossovers. Time to make our crossovers nice and pretty. Woohoo! We are going to start off with T pushes. Our leg on the red circle is nice and bent. Slowly stretch your back leg to point those toes. We are pushing off the free leg with a inside edge. Try to push in a controlled manner. Your chest is nice and high at all times. Slight lean into the circle. The second crossover push is the trickier one. You are still gaining speed from this push. It is off of a back outside edge. Be sure to push off with the side of your blade and not your toe pick. Now put it all together and we have some beautiful crossovers. Remember to keep stretching the arms, the legs, point the toes, and keep your knees bent. Remember, watch out for those toe picks and toe scratches. That's a no-no. Keep the speed up by remembering to push with your inside edge on your first push, and for the second push, we're pushing out to the side, back outside edge. One side will often be stronger than the other, so always remember to practice your weaker side twice as often. Some common mistakes you want to avoid. Remember not to keep your legs too stiff. I am having difficulty keeping speed and crossing the legs. Also, do not move your arms back and forth. Keep those steady circle arms to have nice and balanced crossovers. Lastly, don't forget to push, push, push.